Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will tell you how you can add a text and join it to a mesh. I will be using the default cube for the tutorial. To add a text, press Shift+A and click on text. Go into edit mode by pressing Tab key and type normally. Tab back into object mode and I will add thickness to the text so that it does not look plain. Now if you join it by Ctrl+J it will show you the error. To do so, select the text, press Object at the top, hover at Convert to and Mesh. Our text is converted to mesh. Now you can join it to your object by pressing Ctrl+J. Thank you everyone for watching the video.